YouTube, what's going on? We have a brand new video today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean the New Balance 530 model. Good timing. The good folks over at RESHOEVN8R sent over a package. I want to unbox this first, show you guys what we have inside, and then we're going to be using this to clean those New Balance shoes. Let's get into it right now. All right, you guys, just got this unboxed, and first impressions, really nice kind of packaging right off the bat. We have the signature shoe cleaning kit here. These appear to be some wipes, so let's check this out. It looks like we have 12 individually packaged sneaker wipes. The RESHOEVN8R sneaker wipes are based on water-based, on-the-go solution for quick cleaning. So this is really handy, useful. If you are on the go, you are traveling, maybe you're traveling for work, maybe you're traveling on a vacation, maybe you just want to throw a few of these in your gym bag, just to have handy for any of those last minute, accidental emergencies. You have something there before you do a full cleaning at home. Now, with regards to the full kit, wow, this is really nice. So, couple things here. So this is the microfiber towel. So obviously we're going to be using this. These are two shoe trees, and these are really handy. I've watched some videos. I've used these in the past when I'm cleaning shoes or throwing them in the laundry machine or what have you. You can use this with RESHOEVN8R to actually continue to maintain that shape. This is very handy for restorations. This is very handy when you're actually cleaning the shoe itself. So this is pretty good. Machine wash, warm water, tumble dry. So to my understanding, shoelaces in here, put a pair of shoes, or one shoe rather, in here, and then you can toss it into the actual laundry machine. So this is really cool. I've never actually tried that before. And then let's get into some of the good stuff here. So here's the actual cleaning solution. This actually seems like a pretty decent sized bottle. Supposedly you can clean up to 50 pairs of shoes. So that's pretty awesome. This is a decent sized bottle. Here it says soap derived from 100% natural coconut and jojoba oils. Jojoba, I think I said that correctly. If I didn't, let me know. The RESHOEVN8R Clean Solution is a 100% all natural formula that effectively cleans, conditions, and is safe to use on most materials. So this is going to be great for a couple different materials we're going to be using today. And then we have 3 different brushes. So soft bristle brush, I think this is good for some of those suedes, some of those more delicate materials. Medium bristle, we're using on uppers that might be a little bit more stubborn. They could be like a Durabuck or something of that fashion. And then stiff bristle, this is intended for outsoles, right? This is going to be that harder material. You don't want to damage some of your shoes with this on the upper. You're probably going to mostly use this on maybe midsoles, but for the most part, outsoles. All right, you guys, so I actually have a pair of the New Balance 530 here. As you guys can see, pretty dirty and messed up. We had some pretty bad weather lately. It was raining, and I had to trek through a little bit of mud, as you can see. But I haven't cleaned these since I bought them last year, okay? So we're looking at a whole bunch of kind of buildup of dirt all the way around the midsole, and then obviously there's some patches here on the upper, especially just kind of really into the mesh there. That's very dirty. This shoe is super comfortable. I've been, as I get older, I'm looking for comfort more than anything. So kind of going from a Jordan guy to a New Balance guy is interesting, but comfort is definitely there. The only thing here is when you're dealing with mixed material like mesh and all that, you have to be very, I guess cognizant is the right word, with how you're kind of maintaining and taking care of your shoes. So again, have the most of the RESHOEVN8R kit here. We're going to be using probably just the soft and the medium brushes. This is the stiff brush. I might use this on the outsole. We have the microfiber towel. We have the cleaning solution, the shoe trees. I'm going to pop these in to the shoe first. I'm going to see if I can get a lot of this dirt off right at the beginning, just with the medium bristle brush, just to get kind of the hard dried up stuff off. And then I'm actually going to be using the solution. Let's give this a try. Let's see if RESHOEVN8R can kind of clean these up and bring these guys back to life. All right, you guys, so I actually have a pair of the New Balance 530 here. As you guys can see, pretty dirty and messed up. We had some pretty bad weather lately. It was raining, and I had to trek through a little bit of mud, as you can see. But I haven't cleaned these since I bought them last year. Okay? So we're looking at a whole bunch of kind of buildup of dirt all the way around the midsole, and then obviously there's some patches here on the upper. So All right, you guys, so we are finished. The one shoe, I have the shoelaces here set aside to dry. One thing I didn't mention is that you should take out the shoelaces first, clean those, and then or set them aside so that you can properly clean the tongue. But I want to show you guys like a really honest before and after. This is the shoe before, and this is after I took off some of those big chunks of dirt with the medium bristle brush. I mean, you got dirt clogged in the midsole and some of the grooves there, and then look at the mesh. I mean, the mesh is just stained just from regular wear and tear over the last year, but not to mention there's actually dirt underneath the mesh. Laces are pretty much yellowed. I mean, these weren't great, right? And this is just after what, 5 minutes, not even. I mean, I knew this was going to be good. I just didn't know how good. And I'm actually pretty surprised by the results. These look amazing. I mean, look at the midsoles. So good. The mesh. Oh, there was dirt trapped underneath the mesh panels, just like here. Like, look at that. I mean, they're so white. And this is just after one session. So I'm going to go ahead and clean these. But I mean, the proof is here. This is, I mean, I'm pretty impressed. I didn't even think these were going to be that good. I have the shoe tree in here. I'm going to let the shoe laces just dry a little bit before I put them back in. But guys, you've seen it yourself. RESHOEVN8R, thanks so much for sending this over. I'm going to leave the information in the description box down below. It gives you a link where you can check out the whole kit that I reviewed. And if you guys have any questions at all, let me know down below. Hopefully I can help out with what shoe you're cleaning. And if you have tips, always happy to help. Again, guys, appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.